Peter Hooper, what's your expectation? And also, why do we care about 2018 when we have no idea who's going to be in these meetings?
Good question. No, I think the Fed is, we'll see some reduction in the dots. The median's not going to change, I don't think. It's too solid at the current expectation of 3 rate hikes next year. But I think given the questions about inflation, the August number certainly helped. But 3-month moving average is about where we want to be. 6-month moving average, 12 months still way below where they want to see it. I think Janet can be a little cautious in her commentary at the press conference, but she's not going to give any indication that they're going to be backsliding significantly from the current expectation, which is substantially more rate hikes next year than the market's currently pricing in.
And Peter Schaffrik, what about you? How do you wind up factoring that in for the markets and how that means for yields?
Well, first of all, I would say the question that you're asking is exactly the right one. It's ironic, isn't it, that this is going to be the press conference. This is going to be the meeting where they start winding down their balance sheet, and we're not even talking about it. So the market has already moved beyond that.
And they dig that.
For me?
They dig that.
Yeah. So the market's already moving beyond that, and I think that's absolutely the right question to ask. So we are totally on the side of the other Peter here. We also think that at the end of the day, the indication that the Fed is going to give us is going to remain above where the market currently sees it. Now, the implication for the market is not necessarily that straightforward, because we have been in this situation for quite a while. And the question then is, if they come down relative to where the Fed is currently projecting them quite a bit, then the market might take this as a confirmation of where the market is currently priced. So frankly, I think this is going to be the pivotal point, not necessarily the relative gap between, the absolute gap between them, but the relative gap between them.